Next one, compounds of hydrogen. Compounds of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen also forms ionic bond with some metals at a high temperature, creating a compound called hydride. So hydrogen combined with almost all the elements except noble gases under certain reaction condition to give binary compound. These binary compounds are called hydrides. These are generally represented by the formula EH X, where E is the other element and X is the number of hydrogen atom. Example, calcium hydride, sodium hydride. Here E is the element and H is the hydrogen, X is the number of hydrogen atom respectively. Depending upon the nature of element with which dihydrogen combine to form hydride, it can be divided into ionic or saline or salt-like hydride, covalent or molecular hydride, metallic or non-stoichiometric hydride. Ionic or saline or salt-like hydrides, covalent or molecular hydride, metallic or non-stoichiometric hydrides. Ionic or saline or salt-like hydride. Ionic hydrides are stoichiometric compound of hydrogen and the elements which are more electropositive than hydrogen, such as S-block element with the exception of beryllium and magnesium. So beryllium H2, BeH2 and MgH2 have significant covalent character and have polymeric structures. These hydrates are formed by transfer of electrons from metal to hydrogen. Thus, they have hydrogen in the form of hydride ion, lithium hydride, sodium hydride, calcium hydride. So, ionic hydrates are crystalline, non-volatile, non-conducting in solid state. Their metals conduct electricity. On electrolysis, liberate dihydrogen gas at anode, which confirms the existence of H plus ion. Solid hydrates react violently with water, producing dihydrogen gas. When you see this, hydrates are highly stable hydrate because of their high enthalpy formation. The order of thermal stability of hydrates of alkali metals, lithium hydrates are more stability than sodium hydrate, than potassium hydrate, than rubidium hydrate, than cesium hydrate. So that is, the stability increases as the size of the metal atom decreases. The stability of hydrate ion increases with the size of the metallium ion decreases. It is a good reductant. The hydrate compounds are good reductants. Covalent or molecular hydride. When dihydrogen atom combined with p block element or non-metal, it results in the formation of covalent hydride. Further, these hydrates have molecular lattice, that is, in them molecules are held together by weak van der Waals forces. So, these are called molecular hydrides. Example, methane, ammonia, water. So the type of molecular hydride depend upon relative number of electrons and bonds present in their Lewis structure. The molecular halides are further classified into electron deficient hydride or electron precise hydride. So electron deficient hydride. These are generally formed by element of group 13 and have lesser number of electrons than that required for writing their conventional formula. Being electron deficient, these hydrates generally behave as Lewis acid, that is electron acceptor. Example of Lewis acid hydrates are boron hydrate, aluminum hydrate, tin hydrate. Second category is electron precise hydride. These hydrates having required number of electrons to write their conventional Lewis structure are called electron precise hydride. Example CH4, SiH4, GeH4. So these hydrates have tetrahedral geometry. Their stability decreases as the size of the element of group 14 increases due to increase in bond distance. So the order of stability of the hydrates is CH4 is less than silicon hydrate, than germanium hydrate, then tin hydrate. So CH4 is less than SiH4 is less than GeH4 than SnH4. Next hydrate is electron rich hydrates. So the hydrates having more number of electrons than that required to write their conventional Lewis structure are called electron rich hydrates. So these are generally formed by the elements of group 15 to 17. Example water, ammonia, phosphine, hydrogen fluoride. So the dot shows that lone pair electrons. Because of that excess electron, they generally behave as Lewis base, that is electron donor. However, their basicity decreases on moving down of group from left to right along a period. The order of basicity hydrates of group 15 is NH3, that is ammonia, so nitrogen hydrate or ammonia is more than pH3, than ASH3, than SbH3. That means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. So nitrogen is more reactive. Basicity is more than phosphorus, than arsenic, than antimony. So the basicity decreases on moving down a group. So the order of basicity of hydrides is NH3 is more basicity than H2O than HF. So because of its less electronegativity, nitrogen has more basicity. Unlike other members in their family, NH3, H2O and HF exist in liquid state at room temperature due to strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The difference between electron deficient hydrates, electron precise hydrates and electron rich hydrates.